Hi there, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on Make Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face in 5 Simple Steps. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually get your videos to YouTube without putting your face in front of the camera. In fact, 99% of the time you don't need to. So I'm going to be sharing some free programs and some free apps that will make your videos look awesome. Then I'm going to share with you, what do you do after that? What do you do with the videos once they're ready to go, and how do you make money? And that's when I'm going to introduce Paul Murphy and his 5-step formula and how powerful it is to actually get you on the first page of Google, the first page of YouTube, and also on the first of the billboards in Google. Then in a moment, I'm going to share an example, then share the examples of how powerful Paul's formula really is. So make money on YouTube without showing your face in 5 simple steps. Boy, oh boy, if that's not the toughest thing, is to put oneself in front of a camera. It's a challenge for a lot of people. Now, thank goodness, and lucky for you, is if you're running an e-commerce or if you're running Amazon or eBay, you don't have to put yourself in front of the camera. In fact, 99% of the time, selling something or putting something on YouTube, you don't have to put your face in front of the camera. Now, I remember when I was a kid and having to stand up in front of, grade 5 or 6 in Canadian, elementary schools, having to stand up in front of the class and read out loud. And I would go into panic mode. And I know, like the day before that, if the teacher said we're going to have a reading, I couldn't sleep at night. And I found, fast forward it another 20 years, I found I had a case of dyslexia. So I was panic stricken. And so I understand that, getting in front of the camera can be death-defying. In fact, getting in front of the camera, people would rather die than public speak or get in front of the camera. Now, lucky for you, I've got some apps and some programs that you don't have to put yourself in front of the camera. You don't have to put yourself behind the mic. It's pretty powerful stuff. Now, the first one, and I'll go over this briefly because I have gone over with another video, and I'll probably go a little deeper in a video in the future. However, this is called Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is a very cool product where you go online and you put your information over to them and they bid on it, and you can do from logo designs to voiceovers to WordPress to videos to social media, and these people will do it for you. As long as you have the photos and the copy, they'll make the videos for you, and all you have to do is basically put them up on YouTube. The next one is a pretty cool one. It's called Vidnami. Now, it used to be called Content Samurai. And once again, what you do is you get your videos or your photos and you put your copy, and they'll put a computer-generated voice to your videos and to your photographs. Now, a lot of people use this, and I use something similar to this. Now, this is the PowerPoint, and you can do it on Google Docs, and you can put your photos and you can put your videos in a presentation and narrate behind it, or actually put music to it. I use Keynote just because I'm on a Mac, but it's very similar, and it's the same thing as PowerPoint, the Microsoft version of PowerPoint. Now, when I don't want to be behind the mic, I use music. And a word of caution here is when you use music, make sure it's not a royalty music, because YouTube will yank it off the playlist in a matter of seconds. So what I do is I go to the audio library right on YouTube, and they have a ton of royalty-free music that you can just put that and narrate it with your pictures, your photography, or your videos. And if you want to stop it here, I've put 5 more free PowerPoint alternatives, including Canva and Prezi and RenderForce and Visme, and they're all really good. What I use is I use Keynote, and I also use iMovies to video it, and that's part of the free package that comes with iMac. Or what you can use QuickTime and make videos that way, and just audit it and edit it, and it comes out good. In fact, surprisingly enough, I've also used GoPro Quick, which is awesome. So what they do is they automatically put your videos together in a 15, 30 second or 1 minute window, and they'll actually put music to it. So it's very professional and it's very cool. It's one of the first things I wouldn't expect that a GoPro product would have. However, it's pretty cool. I've used it a number of times, and it's also a free app. So the question is, what now? So you've got your videos. They're looking really slick. You didn't put your face in front of the camera. You're all set to go. You're really proud of your product. And now, the biggest challenge, even more than putting yourself in front of the camera, is how do you put your videos in front of bona fide buyers? That's a real challenge. And I remember when I was playing the stocks, the seed stocks and the escrow stocks back in the 80s and 90s, that I would see great product and I'd invest in it and nothing would come of it because it could never get to market. They had a great product, but they didn't have the process and the formula and the steps to get at the product. Now, fortunately enough, there is something that you can do, and how I got my videos or my product to videos and ranking extremely well is I fell into a cross paths with a fellow, and his name is Paul Murphy. And Paul has a great 5-step formula, which I mentioned basically in the title, and he has turned me on to seeing how easy and how powerful it is to rank number 1, number 2, number 3 in Google and in YouTube and on the billboard in Google in a matter of minutes. Now, his process, and when you hit the link, this is what you come up with, how to get 100% free Google ads. It works. I'm going to show you some examples in a couple of moments. It's all done 100% free. It works with any product. So if you're selling anything off Shopify or off Google or off, not Google, but off eBay or Amazon, this works amazing. Now I'm going to show you an example of a great product, however, not being able to get in front of bona fide buyers. And the example here is a drone, and I was looking at drones, and this goes back a little while ago when I was with my wife. Well, I'm still with my wife, but I was with my wife when she said you can go out and get drones, so I Googled drone because 75% of the people actually go to Google and do research first and then go to YouTube to make sure what the reviews are like. So I hit the Google, and on the left-hand side, you can see all the ads that are pretty high-powered people. I mean, there's DJI, which makes drones. There's Apple, which, self-explanatory. There is Therm8, which is the big marketing company. These are all ads, so you're paying for them. On the right-hand side, you can see some drones, and these will be, once again, the Shopifys or the Amazons or the eBays. And you scroll down a little bit more and you see more drones, and you're up against a ton of other competition. So you slide down a little further and you see, okay, there's all the different ads that are all different advertising are paid for. Then you come across this, and this is called a Google billboard. And usually the most high-ranking videos are shown on this in a revolving carousel. So I actually went down a little further and went to the videos and saw a ton of videos, and basically a number of different views, and everyone's trying to sell me their drone, and I got all confused. I went to Best Buy and bought one. So what I saw that was really missing here is a leader, is someone that actually grabbed this search and was an expert in it, like an expert, like a mechanic, or going to the dentist, or going to a specialist in regards to joint pains, or anything like a real specialist in the industry, in the actual the search. So let's back it up a bit. Let's say that we went here and saw this billboard, and instead of seeing that, you saw this on the front page. Your logo, your company, you completely strangleholding the billboard with your product. Pretty powerful. It'd be pretty powerful if you were to actually be on the very first page ranking like that. Instead of going to the videos and seeing a number of different videos for the drones, I went to videos and all I saw was your company. Can you see how powerful this would be, how you get your videos in front of bona fide hot buyers? Now keep in mind, this is all free ads. This is all organically posted. So not only are you strangleholding and being the number 1 through number 9 choice, you're actually doing it virtually at no cost. Then you go over to YouTube and Lord and behold, there you are again. So when you're trying to find a little bit of credibility with the company, you've also strangled this page as well. Now the first one here that I didn't get, this is an ad. So he's paid dearly for this. All these are organic. So as I promised before, I'm going to show you some examples. And one of the examples is, I'm going to show you a number of them. And the reason is to show you how powerful this is, this five-step formula, and also to share with you, it's so consistent. So example one, organically posted. I was #1 on YouTube ranking, #1 on Google, #1 on the video carousel, all done within 4 minutes. This is not taking 6 months or 9 months to gradually, organically go up to the first page. We're talking literally in minutes. Now it gets better. Example two, 2 minutes. And I love this one. This is how to rank #1 in 24 hours with this gentleman that did it 9 months ago. And here's another gentleman here that did it 1 year ago. This is done 2 months ago. This is done a year ago. This is done months ago. I outranked him in 1 minute when he says you can do it in 24 hours. Like, how cool is that? Next one, same idea. I ranked in 3 minutes on YouTube, Google, and the carousel again. You can see how powerful this is. And once again, #1 on YouTube, Google, and the video carousel in 6 minutes. The next one in 6 minutes again. And you'll notice here is because I'm placing videos, YouTube is thinking to me that I'm a specialist in my niche. I'm a master in my niche. So they start giving me loving and they start grouping my videos together. So not only did I get the #1 ranking, Google also put me #2 ranking right below myself. And the same thing here, #7, I got the #1 ranking in 2 minutes. Now, sometimes it takes a little longer to get over to Google because the same company, however, it has to migrate over there and they have to do their algorithms to get you over there. So it could take an extra couple of minutes, could take up to 10 minutes. But actually, this one was done in 2 minutes. And you can see here, they also start to group my other videos. In example 8, this is insane. 1 minute. Not 6 months. We're talking 1 minute. Now, as the videos start to mature, you can see that the Google, the algorithms start to group all the videos together. So on this page, when I sourced it, there was ad, then that was #1, #4, #5. So I had 80% of the positionings. Then about a week later, they actually grouped everything, and I had the full first page. Now, think to yourself is, how would that look for your business if you could have all your videos ranking on the first page on a search that a bona fide buyer was looking for your product? I mean, that would take away the question of how do you get to the buyers. Example #11, here's that Google billboard again, where I didn't even put in the right search, and Google looked at it and said, okay, we'll put these 3 videos together and show you basically close enough to your search. And it happened again, is the search is slightly off, but I'm still strangleholding the Google billboard, the carousel. So, I mean, the question is, you can see how you can save money through ad costs and actually how you could basically get in front of bona fide hot buyers with your product. Pretty powerful examples, right? It's amazing how consistent you can actually get your products up on Google and YouTube literally immediately, and have the staying power and also basically stranglehold everything. Now, as I mentioned before, I'm going to leave the link below of how you can take advantage of this 5-step formula and take a look at it. You be the judge and see if it makes sense for your business or not. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button so you won't miss another video, and leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next video.